Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix gradle. What helps is careful analysis of text that you have right here. Usually it is this one which says that we have a problem with method, which actually has nothing to do since I never changed gradle, and you may be in the very same situation when you know that you have not changed anything about your gradle and somehow it gets broken. It can be either because of your hard drive or SSD or whatever corruption. This is one scenario. The other one is software. It's way easier to fix. As you can see, the rest of text is not so important. It says that it failed. How we can do this? So we go to library. We can either clean library, we can delete it altogether, like all the files, or we can use like scalpel to analyze, to make a deep analysis and fix this with less damage to our project. In my case, I have here two files. This one is going to be recreated, this one. And this is going to be edited by Unity itself. So what we are going to do, we are going to rename it. And you will see that this will not fix problem. It will still keep showing that error to us. And as you can see, now it's working. We just, you see those files, they are identical, but for some reason that helped. Just single file. I just say, let's say, deleted this file. I renamed it actually, and it recreated this file, and now it's working. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye. Have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting, or maybe not very interesting. If this doesn't work, you can also try to do the very same thing to this file. Bye.